In this video, stay with us as we introduce step-by-step instructions for installing ComfyUI along with Flux Dev, both of which need to be installed together. This video is a complete 0 to 100 tutorial, and all prerequisites will be explained to you. Please note that installing the web UI does not require a powerful graphics card, but for Flux Dev, you need a GPU with 12 gigabytes or more for the high-end version, and a GPU with 8 to 12 gigabytes for the standard version. Otherwise, the generation speed will be slower. Additionally, there is a version called Flux NF4 for weaker systems, offering 10 times faster speed. If there are enough requests in the comments, we will also provide a tutorial on how to install that version. Before we get into the tutorial, it's good to familiarize yourself with these two installation files. To explain, ComfyUI is another graphical web UI, similar to Stable Diffusion Automatic 1111, which we covered in this video, and you can view video number 2 on our channel. In summary, ComfyUI is a node-based GUI for Stable Diffusion. You can construct an image generation workflow by chaining different blocks, called nodes, together. Some commonly used blocks are loading a checkpoint model, entering a prompt, specifying a sampler, etc. This graphical interface is a prerequisite for one of the most powerful AI image generation models currently available, which is called Flux.dev. Flux is a family of text-to-image diffusion models developed by Black Forest Labs. As of August 2024, it is the best open-source image model you can run locally on your PC, surpassing the quality of SDXL and Stable Diffusion 3 Medium. Incredible images can be generated using this Stable Diffusion model, and you can view examples of them in this section. We recommend that if you only want to have one AI image generation model, install Flux.dev. This model can be a great alternative to the Mid-Journey AI, and you won't need to pay for its subscription anymore. Now stay with us as we proceed with the 7-step tutorial for installing ComfyUI along with the Flux Dev Stable Diffusion model. Step 1. Download the portable version of ComfyUI. This web UI is available in a portable version, which you can download by visiting its GitHub download page, link 1. We recommend that you read the explanations and examples provided on this page to make it easier for you to work with this graphical interface for image generation. Now click on the direct link to download option. Download the file, which is about 1.5 gigabytes in size, and extract it in a suitable location. This file does not need installation since it's portable. Step 2. Initial setup. Once you've extracted the file, you need to do 2 things according to the readme.txt file. If you want faster image generation through your GPU, be sure to run the run NVIDIA GPU.bat file first, which will download other necessary files. If you have a very weak GPU and want to generate images using only your CPU, run the run CPU.bat file. For example, if generating an image with the CPU takes 10 minutes, you can create it in less than 1 minute with a good graphics card. Additionally, it's recommended in the file to always keep your ComfyUI updated with this code. As you can see, the checkpoint models in this web UI are empty. If you, like me, have several Stable Diffusion Automatic 1111 checkpoints and want to use them in this web UI as well, it's better to update the model folder path for this graphical interface as shown in the video, so it uses the automatic 111 models. Step 3. Install ComfyUI Manager. To fully control the settings of this web UI, you need to install this additional extension, which has an easy installation process. First, go to the second link and copy the URL. Now install this extension from GitHub. Next, open the Run NVIDIA GPU.bat file and wait for your system to be evaluated and ComfyUI to open. Step 4. Test ComfyUI. Congratulations! In just 2 steps, you've installed this user interface. Now, let's generate an example image to ensure the program is working correctly. Click on Q Prompt to check. Now let's proceed to install the powerful Flux Dev model, which can produce the most amazing images. Step 5. Introduction to Flux Dev and updating ComfyUI. To familiarize yourself with the powerful Flux Dev model, we will first introduce a few images that were created with this model. To do this, we go to the Models page on the civitai.com website. These are images generated by this model, and overall, this model can free you from needing Midjourney. Link 3. Also, at this stage, first, enter ComfyUI and update it. Click on Update All. Step 6. Download the files and place them in the appropriate folder. To install this model, you need to download 3 types of files. First, you need to download the text encoder files, which include a clip file and a file with the .safetensors extension. If you have a powerful computer, download the larger file, and if you have a weaker computer, download the smaller file. Place these 2 files in the ComfyUI greater than ComfyUI greater than models greater than clip folder. Next, you need to download the model itself. When you visit links 5 and 6, you will be prompted to log into the website and agree to the terms. Complete this process. There are 2 types of Flux. The Flux Schnell model for GPUs with 8 to 12 gigabytes, and the Flux Dev model recommended for GPUs with over 12 gigabytes of VRAM. I'm using the Flux Dev model with my 12GB RTX 4070 Super GPU, which is compatible with this series of graphics cards. Download one of these 2 models according to your computer's configuration. After downloading the model, place it in the ComfyUI greater than ComfyUI greater than models greater than UNet folder. The third file we need to download is the model's VAE. Go to the fifth link related to Flux Schnell and download the ae.safetensors file. Place this file in the ComfyUI greater than ComfyUI greater than models greater than VAE folder. Step 7. Using the Flux Dev model in ComfyUI. Now enter the ComfyUI environment and, as the first step, transfer the workflow of the downloaded model from the 7th link into it. By workflow, we mean all the settings and nodes required for this model to work in ComfyUI. You can automatically create this workflow for your desired model by dragging the relevant images into it. Then use it for generating images with this model. It may take a while for the process to run for the first time. You need to test and run the workflow in ComfyUI. As you can see, all the downloaded files are present in the nodes. Now you can generate images like Midjourney. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel. Well, the feedbacks and views are really low. If this video get less view, maybe it's final video. Goodbye.